Oh, there we go. Oh, it's finally time to get back into 3D modeling. I haven't done this in forever. What's up, Andrew? Welcome to the stream. Glad to have you here. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on some music. Where is... If I go to my desktop, my Vtuber directory. Soundtrack. Include that. Cool. All right, how is the volume on the background music? I want to make sure that it's decently loud, but not too loud. Actually, you know what? I can probably just check it on my own stream. Testing. Testing. Holy shit. Okay, that is loud. Ah. Okay. Oh, all right. That's probably fine. I might turn up a little bit more. Max volume here. Actually, no. What I do is I bring it back down to minus 26 or so decibels, and I will bump this up a little bit. All right, that should be fine. Go ahead and let me know in the chat though if it's a bit too loud, and I can adjust it. All right, so what we are doing today. What are my tools here? All right. Hold on. Whoa, wait a minute. Are my settings messed up? It might be. Show data panel extensions. Oh, there we go. Cool. So what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to go ahead and try and create a drawer for my desk. Should be fun. We'll orient this just straight up on the top. All right, cool. So the gist of the measurements. I think what I was originally thinking was I was going to do a bigger drawer and have it kind of hang lower, because there's two horizontal crossbars that are perpendicular to the direction of my legs that kind of prevent me from doing just a pretty straightforward thing. So what I was thinking was I would just do a couple of 7-inch wide by 7-inch deep by like 2 to 3 inch tall drawers, and I do like 2 of them, maybe 3 of them, but they'd all be identical, so I just have to design it once with some really simple guide rail to use for that. So yeah, so that is the plan. That is the general plan, and let's get started. So my 3D printer is the Monoprice Maker Select V2, and that has a build area of about 8 inches by 8 inches by 7 inches. That's length, width, and height. So I always like to go a little bit shorter than that whenever I'm building, just so I'm not building right to the edge of the build plate. But yeah, so what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna start off with where is my sketch? Sketch. Create a sketch. Okay. So we are going to use this surface, cool. And we're gonna draw, let me actually convert all this to centimeters, because it's a bit more accurate. Let's see, 7 inches to centimeter. Oh my gosh, Kiwi, you gotta stop dropping the tacos. Oh, all right, we're looking at 17. I'm gonna round down just for the sake of being rather conservative about this. So 17 centimeters by 17 centimeters. Oh, hold on. Line. All right. So this is going to be 170. Yeah. Wait, hold on. I can just do this actually. This is probably a bit smarter. If I put it in manually, 170. Cool. And I'll draw from there. I could have just done the full square, but I prefer to do lines because I know exactly what each side has to be. Hey, Belzy Mew, welcome to the stream. Glad to have you here. So, in case I didn't explain it before you showed up, making a 7" by 7" or 170mm by 170mm drawer. That's the surface area, like of the bottom of it. As for the width of the walls, where's my ruler actually? There's my ruler. Always have a ruler within reach. Hey Ben, what's up? Welcome to the stream. Glad to have you here. All right, I'm thinking millimeters. I don't know, I'd say maybe 3mm. Yeah, 3mm wide should be fine. Okay, that said, hold on. I'm going to... Yeah, okay. So we'll work within the confines of this, so I'll work inward. One thing to note is the mechanism that I'm going to have for the guide rails is going to look like this. So, this... Oh. From the front view of it. So essentially, the drawer is going to have a little bit of a lip on the top sides of it, and it'll just kind of slot into this bracket on either side. That's kind of just how I'm thinking I'm going to do this. But yeah, so let's get rid of all that. Yeah, okay, this should be fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in. And I'm gonna make see, how far is this gonna be? 5mm? Okay, each of these is a millimeter. So we got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Cool. Well, if I just do 164, right? No, that's not right. 170 minus 3 on either side, right? 2, 3, 2, 3. I'm so bad at math. 2, 3. Okay. Can I just select this thing and delete that? Cool. All right. Yeah, so again, I have to make the interior wall. So keep in mind this is a top-down view. There are commands. I just have to get the hotkeys set up for doing all this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That looks kind of at an angle. That's not right. How good am I with Fusion? 1.5. That's not right at all. Apparently not very good. I'm extremely rusty with it. I will say, I did once create a 3D printed, oh yeah, no, welcome to the stream. I did once create, so how many of you played our favorite game, Fortnite? Yay, Fortnite, we like Fortnite. Let's see, 3. So, yeah, I know, right? Oh, Akagi, welcome to the stream. So what I once did was I created, there's a thing in Fortnite called the Portafort. Where you kind of throw down a little ball and it builds a little tower fort for you. And what I did was, you know, when all 3 of my younger brothers were very into Fortnite, so I decided to 3D model and 3D print a constructible Portafort, like like pieces. So you could put it all together and it would be, you know, the tower, and then it comes up to like a lip that kind of fans out. So yeah, I was able to do that. I think that if I can, hold on, I could get rid of this. Hello. There we go. If I can do that, I should be able to build a drawer. Yeah, 140. Oh, the ray gun from zombies, as in like COD zombies. Very cool. Yeah. Are you using a filament printer, or are you using a resin printer? CR10S, I'm not gonna know if that's a resin printer or filament. No, I just want the, okay, fine, we'll do it the hard way. I should be able to hit like space or something and then pan. For some reason. I wonder it's because I had to reinstall it on this new computer. It doesn't have my thing set up. Ah, good lord. What am I making? I'm making a drawer for my table. There we go. Okay. So that was a lot more painful than it should be. It was not optimal. We'll grab the pan. Oh, it's a filament printer. Okay, cool. Yeah, I've never worked with a resin printer, so I understand the concept, but I don't have any actual experience with it. All right, cool. So what we're gonna do is we are going to extrude. Actually, if I just take this area. All right, cool. You see this? We're gonna extrude that, and what that means is. Hold on. If we extrude it. See, I want to get a second, Mario, but I don't want to go through the same page last time. Ooh, yeah. Ah, Kiwi's acquired corn. So replace your tilted taco. You dropped again. I heard they are a pain to maintain because you have to like fully clean them after each print. Yeah, I've heard horror stories about having to maintain resin printers. That's kind of what I mean. They're also a bit, I feel like, a bit more complex, you know, conceptually than filament. Whereas filament's like literally heat plastic, push it through tiny hole, and it prints like a laser printer, you know, but in 3D. So it makes more sense to me, just like from ease of understanding. Okay, if I want to do something that is, I got my trusty little ruler. So I want it to be 2 inches. I'm gonna make it 2 inches tall. That is how many centimeters? 2 inches, 2 centimeters. 5 centimeters. So 50 millimeters. Yeah, 50. Okay. So distance 50. Does that look right? Well, it's time to find out. Uh-oh. Wait a minute. That's not right. Oh, did I not select this? I thought I selected the surface. There we go. Oh, it's because I did surface extrude, not solid extrude. Yeah, look at that. Now, on top of that, what I also need to do... what's going in the drawer? Things like my wallet, my electric razor, you know, like a bunch of just there's a ton of random crap that just sort of sits on my desk. That should totally be in like a drawer, but I don't have any drawers in this to put it in because it's more of a table than a desk. So yeah, just like basically the miscellaneous stuff that shouldn't that shouldn't be sitting on my desk is gonna go in the drawer. We should also do a solid here. Close. Oh. Tools. Surface. Okay, solid, this extrude. What's our thickness again? 3 millimeters? Perfect. And now you'll zoom around that and you'll see that it is, what's really weird is when you rotate it like this, it starts to look really wonky. Like it doesn't look like it's an actual perfect square, but it is. Yeah, there you go. There's our basic drawer. Here's what it is. You get a time lapse of the print. You know what? I could do a time lapse of the print. I probably have a camera around somewhere. But then again, actually, I don't know if I will though. That I might just come in and check on it every now and then. I'll print. Usually I would print it overnight. What I might do with this one is I might just print it during the day and then take pictures every now and then. Yeah. Okay. So now let's go ahead. I should be able to create the lip, and then the guide rail around it, and then move the guide rail. Or you know what? I could just do. It'll make sense now. All right. Let's see. Create a sketch. Yeah, we'll do this side. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this and we are going to make it. Ooh, how tall do we want to make this? I think 5. 5 is probably enough. Yeah. Half a centimeter? Could go Big Daddy and go a full centimeter, but I think I'll make it 7. I like 7. 7's a good number there. Okay, and then we're going to solid, and we're going to extrude. And then we're going to make it go out. I'd say a full centimeter. So we'll do 10. Okay, and we'll create another sketch. Is this the 2D Whim is using or the 3D Whim is using? Well, Whim is Whim. I am Whim. Whim is me. So yes and yes. This is merely a 2D representation of my real self. I am legitimately just an alien sitting at a fucking desk right now. But for my own peace of mind, I communicate with a live 2D avatar instead of a live cam. Let's see, what do we decide? 7? Doing 7 for this. This, and then we go with that, and we extrude out. Oh, I gotta rotate this a little bit. No, we did 10. Okay. And the nice thing is there's this cube up here. It's behind the chat box, but the chat box is transparent, so you should be able to see it. And you can rotate it to get, you know, the exact place you want to be. Yeah, there you go. It's our drawer. Now, the question is, do I want to give it a handle? Should we give it a handle? Probably should. Makes it look nice. Let's see. How many millimeters are in an inch? Yeah. 25. Okay. Well, if I take a 2 centimeter, how big is that? Yeah, that should be fine. Yeah, I'd say we give it a little handle. It's 2 centimeters. Yep. All right, that makes sense to me. Let's see. Yeah, handle time. Aliens are pasty. No, don't go nuts. Don't call me pasty. Oh, okay. We'll sketch on this side because that's what we've designated the front. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to. What's my midpoint? 170. $85. But how wide do I want to make something? You know what? No. I am proud of how ridiculously white I am. I am so pale. Like the purest snow. Maybe not. Maybe we'll go that far, but anyways. So dead center would be 85. How wide do I want to make this? I'll try and just visualize with my hand. Why don't I blend in with the background then? Because my live 2D avatar is actually less pale than I am. Funnily enough. I figured that if I went too pale in the live 2 avatar, you wouldn't believe it. You'd be like, there's no way. There's no way that a human or an alien or a character can be this pale without being albino. Oof. Anyways, I don't know. I'm thinking about maybe 7 centimeters wide. So, if we take 85 minus 35, we'll go 50, okay. 50. And then we'll take another line. And we'll go 50. Okay. And then we'll take this. So I think I determined that it would be... How deep do I want it to be? How tall do I want it to be? 2, I think 2 by 2. Yeah. Let's see. Whim merch when? You know what? If people actually want it, I'll come up with some ideas and some design sketches or something, and I'll float the idea. And it won't be like, oh, you know, it costs. It's like it won't be a shirt. It probably won't be a shirt. But like, if it was a shirt, say the shirt would if you would go to like a Teespring or something, like the T-shirt maker, and make it yourself, it would cost like hold on a second. How many centimeters into inches? Or wait, no. No, 2 centimeters, so 20 millimeters. Centimeters. Wait a minute. Oh right, yeah, because there's like 2. Okay, cool. If I were to make a T-shirt, let's say, normally what you do is you go to you partner with a website like Teespring or something, and I think Teespring's one of them. And you know, normally if you were to just do it yourself, just by yourself, just a single shirt. Say it's like $10. They say, okay, send us your picture. We'll print it on a shirt and we'll send it to you for $10, right? And so as a merch person, what you do is you take that, you have your custom design, maybe you pay an artist, you commission an artist and whatever. And so you then say, okay, if you want the shirt with this design, guys, buy it through my website and it'll cost you $15. So for every shirt that you get people to buy, you're making $5 profit. If I were to make merch, because again, I don't care about making money off of this, I would literally just make it, like I just create a design and say, hey, like, here's how you take this design and make the shirt, you know, it'll be, and they, you know, they're going to charge $10, so it's $10. So I essentially just break even, don't make any money, but people get to have the merch. I think that's probably what I would do. But again, it probably wouldn't be a shirt. I might do a shirt. I might, you know what, I might commission or try and make something myself. Oh god, imagine I make nobody would want that. Fucking doodle, a stupid little Whim doodle in like fucking paint.net. Oof. Oh yeah, infused with alien comfort technology. Made with 100% pure recycled bathrobe fibers, but it's a t-shirt. Get the comfort of wearing a robe without anybody knowing that you're wearing a robe. All right, we're gonna extrude this surface. I think we decided to go 2, right? Yeah, 20 millimeters. Okay, cool. And then what I can do is, I think I go solid on that, or maybe I have like a little bit of a lip so you can fit your finger. Can I fit my finger inside of? Can you fit my finger inside of that? Yeah. Yeah, if I make it like 3 millimeters on each side, make the handle rounded. Bruh, have you ever worked with a 3D printer? It's spherical surfaces are the worst to try and work with. They're so bad. Well, they're not the absolute worst, but they're annoying to work with because of how the support structures have to be. Now we go nice and simple. I'm gonna ease my way back into this. Okay, I'm gonna do it as a sketch right here. So, give it a 3 millimeter lip. Actually, why don't I just stop being stupid about this? 3, 3. Okay, and then we will sketch from here. 3, 3. There we go. And now we create this. All right, we are 20 millimeters tall. Yeah. T-shirts when we should wait. Yeah. Oh, you're gonna be waiting a while. How tall did we make this again? We made it 2 centimeters, 20 millimeters. Okay. So here's a neat little trick you can do. You can extrude this surface, right? Except instead of extruding it down, right? I can extrude it up. Like that. And then when I go underneath, boom. Look at that. So that is going to be about what? 16 millimeters? About a centimeter and a half. That is more than enough clearance for my fingertip. It wouldn't fit my thumb horizontally, but you know, it would, like, you can, if you open it like a normal person. What is that? That is just a handle to pull it out, right? So this is the front of the door. You'd reach in. I'm doing motions with my hands as if you can see them. Oh my goodness. But yeah, so there you go. That is, so we've essentially already finished the drawer itself. So now what we get to do is the fun. Oh, well, hold on a second. I'm stupid. I need to actually, no, I don't need to do it like this. I can surface, solid, extrude, that, minus that. There we go. That looks a bit more standard. Nice. You want to keep it, I mean, I could shift it down, but it you know, it never hurts to keep it flush with the surface. Keeping things flush just makes printing much simpler. Okay, cool. Why doesn't it look aesthetically pleasing? Because I am very rusty at this, and I was never horribly good at it, so I wouldn't try and do anything crazy. And again, trying to get things to print is always a pain in the butt. There's a lot of calibration that has to be done. Fillet the edges of the handle. I could do that. Yeah, hold on. What's that gonna look like? Oh, that is disgusting. Holy shit. Well, that's interesting. Yeah, like, you know, it's like a drawer for holding things. What the hell is this? What the hell is that? Why is it weird on one side? I don't get it. I wanna like... Fusion's having a bit of a tough time right now. Wow. I don't understand why it's at an angle. Do we maybe just do this? I think that looks kind of funny. I'll change my rotation point. I mean, it should still work. Yeah, I like the asymmetry on it. It's actually kind of nice. Question is, wait, is it digging into here? No, I think it's fine. Look at that. Look at that asymmetry. That's, you know, actually, you know what? I take it back. That's kind of cool looking. Go with that. Okay. That's our cool design. Give it a, put like a design in there, but that'd be a pain in the butt. Okay. We are going to, give me 1 second. 1 second. Okay, cool. All right, cool. There we go. We saw a little bit of the Pokemon stream. Anyways, I just want to make sure that like nothing showed up that was like shouldn't be shown while I save it in like file paths and stuff. Wait, what the hell? Why'd it go? Oh, why'd it go back? No, wait, no. What happened? It went back. Oh my goodness. How could this happen? Wait, like this? Like this? No. Like that. Okay. Yeah, our weird, stupid, asymmetrical handle. Yeah. Oh, right, I gotta version it like every time. Anyways. Yeah, Autodesk. Yeah. Okay, so now let's make the guide rails. Can we create a new... New design. Ooh, okay. So, we did... Actually, hold on. Wait. Back to... Oh, there it is. Okay. I might want to... Let's see. Why not just buy a table? Because that's boring. Why would I buy a table? Alright, so this ended up being what? The outside edges on that are 170. And then these are, let's do a sketch, and I can just measure it that way. Line. This is 10 by 7. Okay, let me write that down. Yeah, I literally have a printer just lying around. I haven't used it in close to 2 years now. Okay, so it is 10 millimeters wide and it is 7 millimeters tall. The question is clearance. I believe clearance should be probably what, like 0.3 millimeters? Maybe I go 0.5. Yep, I think maybe 1 millimeter. Even if it's a little bit loose, it's probably not a huge problem. Should be fine, I think. Yeah, it makes for content. 0.25. Okay. Maybe I go 0.5. 0.5 on the clearance. Okay. New thing. Front. Top. Okay, we're going to make a sketch. Brand new sketch. This time, we are going to make it 170. Nope, that is 270 by 10. No. If I want to give it 5 millimeters, let's say 10. Let's say 15. Okay, and then we will solid. As your local Autodesk architect, I forgot half the things on the program I use. Blaine Bloken. Yeah, that's how it goes. Let's see. So we are what? 7 millimeters tall. So it's gonna be 7 millimeters on the inside. We're gonna have clearance. So why don't I make it +5 on either side, so 17. Let's go 18. I think 18 is fine. Well, this is moving a lot faster than I expected. You probably just mess around with it when we're done. Hold on, did I do... Was it 15 for this? I might want to make that a little bit... 5 millimeters. That's probably fine, but part of me kind of wants to extrude it a little bit more. I think it's 17 total. Okay. Go to the front. Hey, Luca Bastille. Did I say that right? Basutil. It's an L, right? Yeah. Oh, I like this stuff. Thank you very much. Glad to have you here. Okay. Yeah, you're just in time to see me. Busutil. I'm so sorry if I'm not pronouncing this right. Let's see. I can't figure out, is it like Busutil or Busutil? I don't know where the inflection goes. Okay, hold on. So we need, it is 7 tall. We have 18 to work with. I say we go what? 5, 10, 10.5. Oh my god. Yo, Nami, what's up? Welcome to the stream. So we got 10.5. I'm gonna do a quick little, let's see, 0.5. I think you go 0.5, honestly. Oh, you want to see it in 3D? Well, there it is in 3D. You missed, Nami, you missed the entire drawer. You built the drawer. With a you did a wacky little handle there. Yeah, look at that. Ooh. It's pretty crazy. Okay, so I think if we go to the front. So we did that. How long is this again? 5, right? Yeah, 5. And then we did this, which is, oh right, it shows in the bottom right. You guys can't see it because it's behind my dumb torso. So this is 10.5 because the thing is 10 wide and I am doing a 0.5 bit of clearance. Why am I making fake furniture? I am actually making real furniture. This is gonna be real. I'm gonna print it on my 3D printer and I'm gonna screw it in the bottom of my desk. Oh, good. Don't let me forget to put screw holes on this because I will forget. Okay, so there's the 0.5, and now we go 7, right? And then take it back out to here. Perfect. We go 0.5. Oh wait, I don't want to do that there. I want to do it here. 0.5. Okay. Pan up a little bit. The 3D printer. Honestly, I've had the 3D printer for a while. It's been well, yeah, okay, that's the 0.5. So this should be 5. Perfect. Okay, so this should actually be a total of 8. Right? Why is it only 5? Okay, there we go. Oh, that's 8. Oh, right, because I'm drawing it to this thing. Okay. Solid. We're gonna extrude this. Well, wait, hold on. I gotta close this sketch, I guess. Okay. Nami, this might be your first time seeing this cool little feature, but I mean, it's a really basic feature, but I'll show you. So we are going to extrude this, and we're going to extrude it 170. Boom. There we go. I have officially made the guiding rail for my my thing. So what I can actually do, imagine forgetting to close the sketch. I do that. Dude, I would do that so often. I don't use this often, but back when I did use this a bit more, I would do that so often. I just forget to close the sketch and be like, why can't I extrude this? That's weird. Anyways, so here's what I could do. What a dumb person would do is either like try and clone this and like mirror it or something and then add the holes. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put the holes on both sides so it is a completely reversible piece. So I only have to design it once and then I can use it for both sides. I just flip it, and because the holes are going to be on both sides, it works. Now, screws. This is something I did not think about. Imagine not making box. Imagine making not box. What? After a while, you get used to it. But then again, even back when I used this, I didn't use it that much. Standard screw sizes. Visualized images. Brain melting. Let's see. Oh, and in case you're wondering, I can just this rich bar music. This is one of my original soundtracks. Yeah. So the channel opening and this one are both tracks that I commissioned and that I have like full ownership of. They're mine. Ooh. They're my OST. Anyways, so in case you're wondering, okay, something that I should explain about 3D printing, because we have so much time. We haven't even we've just hit the 45-minute mark, and I'm almost done. One thing to know about 3D printing is, say that you would print it like this, right? Where this is the front, you know, and you rotate it up, and like this is the top view, and so what you're looking at here, the thing that it's on, is the printing surface. This is a terrible way to print this piece. Oh, you're making an OST on Monday. Very hype. Yeah. Oh, the OST is already released. I released the 2 videos of this, and I made like a custom graphic for them, as if it was like an actual professional, semi-professional album or whatever. Yeah, it's just 2 tracks though. You are more than welcome to use it, so long as you're not making money off of it. There you go. Anyways, so if you were to try and print this like this in this orientation, that would be so dumb. You can do it, but that's a terrible decision. And the reason for that is you can't 3D print into thin air. You need support. So you'd have to print out a support lattice that would fill this entire thing so that you could print it like this. So instead, how this is going to work is when I print it, I'm actually going to orient it like this. So this is the bottom right there. That's the bottom where like the plate that it's resting on. And and so it prints straight up. So it is its own support structure. Yeah, I mean, you can't really stop YouTube from making money off it, unfortunately. But it is what it is. Anyways, so here's the other thing. Because this is like really, this is just gonna be plastic. I just need to make places where I will put the holes through. And just make it sort of equidistant. Okay, yeah, let's do that. Right, okay. So let's get some measurements here. Again, we are, what, 170? So say I wanted to do 85, we'll do something right here at 50. 50, okay. And we'll do another one. What the hell just happened? Create a sketch. Create a sketch. What's going on? Oh, okay, there we go. Okay, perfect. You know what? You are right. I could use the command strip things, and I actually do have quite a few of them. That doesn't make for good content, because then I'm done. Then I'm already done. It's been less than an hour. But you know, you are right. I do have the command strips, and they will hold more than enough weight. Yeah, honestly, technically, I am already done. This just ends up being a really short stream. Yeah. Well, that's just the way it goes sometimes. Slide. Oh, when I save things, it doesn't even show up. That's cool. Cool. All right. Well, you know what? Maybe I mess around with this a bit and try and pretty it up. Desk reveal. I've probably posted pictures at points in my Discord. Bring the drawer back. Here's the drawer. Why don't I? How am I gonna print this again? I think I print this. Well, no, I have to print it this way because of the flat surface in here. So you know, the slides will have support structures, and then this will have support underneath it. So it'll get a little wonky, but that's fine. But yeah, so this is the top. You know what I could do? What if I started sketching? Let's see. Create a sketch. Surface, create a sketch. Sketch, create a sketch. Okay. Get 25, 25, 25. Why don't I do something here? Yeah, I'm gonna make a dumb, stupid, wacky sketch. Ooh, you know what? I know what I can do. Flare chain for the bottom edge to make it come off the build plate easier. You know, I could do that. Keep in mind though, the walls are kind of thin. And I mean, I have the tools to get it off the build plate without much issue. I've planted plenty of things that are flush, and it's not really a huge problem. Oh, yeah, the 3D printing live stream. Yeah, so it just goes nonstop. Like the thing that just keeps going. The thing is though, people don't realize how much time 3D printing takes. It takes a lot of time. Like for something this size, I would certainly, I mean, and then again, it also depends on how much infill and blah, 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 blah. Something this big, I would normally just start this before I go to bed and then check back on it in the morning. Although since I am remote, just because of COVID, I could just do it during the day and then check in on it periodically, which is nice. Because if things start to go wrong midway through, you'd like to stop that before it wastes any more plastic. Anyways, let me grab a reference picture. Okay. Custom avatar? No, not custom avatar. Avatar improvement? Character improvement? Where the hell did I put my... If that changes for the PDF. Ah, there it is. Okay, cool. What am I making? Hey, Coco, what's up? Welcome to the stream. It's less what I'm making and more what I've already made. I'm making a drawer with a wacky little handle because it looks cool. And then I've got the slides that'll go into that hold it, like they'll attach to the bottom of the desk. My desk. It's been sleeping on screen. Oh, you know what it is? There we go. Oh, I'm awake. It's because I minimized face rig, which caused it to stop working. Anyways, I have a cool little thing I can do. I will use a writing system to write my name. Do. I think so. I think like this. There you go. You can guide yourself like that. That's cool. That size is about right, I think. It's solid. I could extrude. Three millimeters, okay. It's not a looking desk. No, it's a drawer for the desk. Come on. All right, we'll go to this here. I'll do a line. Should do this. No, I think I start a little bit over here. Okay, and we'll do this. That's a little too wide. A Forerunner artifact. Forerunner's fiction. I'm real. Let's see. Oh, you know, if I go down to here and say I do a line here. There we go. So, oh, no, nope, come back. To about right here. And then we'll do it to about, there we go. Fit point spline. Ooh, okay. Why is it doing this? Why do you do this to me? No, that's not right. That's this way. This way. That way. Okay. Why is it like that? There we go. Okay, that's fine. All right, cool. No, I don't consider myself a Forerunner artifact. That's not right. It's been a while since I used my own writing system. Can I relocate a sketch? Can I grab this and then... No, I guess not. That's fine. We're gonna extrude this. 3. Oh, I'm putting my name on here. That's what we're doing. You've only missed the first 2 letters, but they're right there, so you can see what it was. For this one, I think what I want to do is okay, we'll do that. And we'll take this spline. What language is this supposed to be? Mine. What, do you humans think you're the only ones with a language? I got some bad news for you. You're not. Check mark there. Cool. Yeah, there we go. We can extrude this. I wish it was kind of over a little bit more to the left, but that's fine. We'll make do. Am I winning, Whim? Yes, I am. I'm actually doing fairly well. I thought I would be rustier. I really did. Nope, that's not what I want to do. Do this. Do this. Oh. And then we take this, and we'll go and draw this here. And another one right here. Then we spline it. And I keep hitting the wrong button for that. Cool. We will spline it again. And do. And I will once again hit the wrong button. There we go. Solid. Dad. Your dad's here? Cool. Unless you're referring to me, because I'm not your dad. Alright, and we will extrude our last bit. There you go. It's my name. Don't wear it out. Alright, we are at just about an hour. I think that is probably enough time. Honestly, I was expecting to take like 2 hours and fumble around with the controls for like forever. But I got back into it faster than I expected. Do we have the door? We have the slide. Reversible. I'll use command strips. Ah. Whee! Oh, that is way more fun than it has any place being. All right, so that's it. We are ending the stream after 1 hour. Is it a Forerunner artifact? Honestly, it doesn't look too far off. Just look at this thing. It's an affront to architecture and rational, reasonable design. Look at this drawer. Look at what are these edges? Oh my goodness. There's no overlap on that, right? Oh, there's a little bit of overlap. I am curious to see how much this complains when it tries to print. It's art. The Covenant wants it. The Covenant will never get their filthy hands on it. I can assure you of that. All right. So yeah, that's it. That was a fast stream. You want to paint it? You know what? That can potentially be arranged. Maybe, possibly. I don't know. I'll think about it. Anyways, thank you all for coming. Sorry if you were anticipating a longer stream than that. I was anticipating a longer stream as well. Also, I just noticed that it is 5 p.m. It is already really dark out. Anyways, that is going to do it for this week. I'm going to have more streams next week. Like usual, we'll probably have the Tuesday one with Kagero. And then 2 Honeypop streams and 1 Nuzlocke stream. And then I'll see what else we can do. I might make some shelves. I might do some more 3D modeling on Saturday again and make some shelves for my Gunpla. But yeah, or I might just make a new Gunpla. I know some people have been asking for another Gunpla stream, so I can do that. Yeah. So thanks for coming by, and I hope to see you again in the future. Bye bye.